Lutan DJ? Lutan DJ?
Check this hot looking babes. I'm still waiting till the end of time. I don't know how to